Make sure you stay till the end. We'll talk about 2 common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a dot charger. If you have one of those, you're trying to find the fuse for the radio, stay with us. We'll explain where that fuse is located. We will explain why it's super important to test fuses, relays, common mistakes people make when they remove and replace fuse or relay that can cost you thousands of dollars. All that will be covered in this video today, and we'll talk actually why it's super important to test them. So make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys want to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge or any vehicle, you want to get them at a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's continue now. So most people will open the hood on their dot charger and they will try to find the fuse in that fuse box that's right here, guys. Okay, you can see, but it's nothing there. It's actually a different place. Sometimes, not very often, but we've seen it happen. If you have problems with the radio fuse burning or something, there was something causing that short. In some cases you may need to use a scanner to actually reset the modules on your dot charger. And a computer like that nowadays is something that you needed, guys. You must have it in order to work on your cars. This is our favorite scanner for that price range. It's amazing. It can pay itself off in one-time use. I will put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. It's an amazing tool that can save you quite a bit of headache, guys. It works on almost any car you can think of. Check it out. Sometimes after replacing the fuse, if the radio still doesn't work, try clearing the codes and see if that will restore, guys, reset the system, and it will start working again. You will need to open the trunk. Once you open the trunk, you need to leave the cargo cover up. Okay, and on the bottom you're going to find your spare tire and a car battery right here as well. Now, here, guys, there is a two common mistakes people make. When replacing certain fuses and relays, quite often it's even recommended for all of them to disconnect the car battery. And on these modern vehicles, guys, okay, it's very important which battery terminal you disconnect, reconnect first, otherwise you can cause damage to electrical modules, computers, electronics, and that can be really expensive to fix. How we know that? Because we actually, guys, burned the airbag module on a Mercedes that cost us $2,000. So yeah, we learned the hard way. Now, coming here, you will have a fuse box. You will need to open it like that. And that's where your body control module, practically, guys, fuses and relays are. Here, guys, very important thing. People make one simple mistake. Sometimes they look at the fuse and try to find out if it's good or bad by looking through the glass or through the fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is burned. Let's say you put a bad fuse but you thought it was good. You start buying new radios, new parts, and you waste your money and time, guys. It's just not worth it. Always test fuses, relays. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. Now, the fuse, guys, that we need here, okay, this will be a 20 amp fuse, guys. 20 amp fuse, and this one, if you come right here, we'll be talking about that second fuse. 1, 2, second fuse from right to left or left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This fuse right here. That fuse, guys, okay, it's a 20 amp fuse. So we'll go ahead, grab it, and pull it out. That's it. If you need to buy a new replacement one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get one from. And go get the new fuse, and they're so small, those things, that's just unbelievable. Perfect. Push it in, close the cap, you're ready to go. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.